get your planner open in GoodNotes, it should open to this page here. If it doesn't, if you click at the top here, see how it has where you can write on it. If you click up here at the X, where it's kind of like a pencil, X that out, then that'll make all of the links active. So if I click over here on the tabs, click on March, it'll take me to March. And then when I'm in March, I can click on 1, it'll take me to the 1st. So let's go back to March. Any of these tabs on the sides work to get you different places. When you're here in the month view, if you see the 10 here, that's week 10. If you click on that, it'll take you to the week 10 meal plan and self-care guide. So if we go back to January, the same thing here, you go to week 1, click on that one there, it'll take you to your week 1 planner. So all of these links here on the side work for the 1, 2, 3, 4, that'll take you to the weeks. The days, you can click on those to get to the days. So if you want to go to April, you click on April on the side tab, and then you could click on the 14th. That'll take you to the 14th. So that's how it works. This is GoodNotes. So if you click up here, you can then write if you have a stylus that works well. I have a pretty thick one, so it doesn't work so great, but I need to get a iPad pen. But if you can see here, you can just write on it with your stylus or your pen, and then if you want to erase, you can always erase. And then you can also put in text. If you click there, that T, then you'll be able to put in text, so you can type in whatever you are doing at that time, breakfast, for example. So that's how you work the digital planner.